Endurance protection plans are designed to help protect you from costly, unexpected breakdowns. But it's important to understand what your plan covers and what it doesn't. Coverage can vary depending on the plan you choose. Some plans focus on the most vital systems, while more comprehensive plans provide broader protection similar to a factory warranty. Like all protection plans, there are also standard exclusions. These can include routine maintenance, unless specifically included in your plan, normal wear and tear items such as brake pads, wiper blades, and belts, and body or cosmetic components. These items aren't covered because they're part of normal vehicle upkeep. Regular maintenance helps prevent problems, so it's important to service your vehicle according to your manufacturer's recommendations. In addition, issues that exist before your plan purchase or before the waiting period has ended are not eligible for coverage under the contract. Finally, every plan includes a defined limit of liability. This is the maximum amount payable during the contract term. Depending on your plan, it may be a stated cap or based on your vehicle's trade-in value at the time of repair. You can view coverage details anytime in the Endurance customer portal. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.
Drive on